Waters LC Mass, we have MassLynx software. Open this, then we need to run the instrument, so you can press here or can press on Mass Console in the instrument part. Mass Console will open another page. You will find all parts of the instrument here. You will go for the detector, and on detector control, then you will open all gases, make them on, and open and operate the instrument. Here it should be converted to green, and also in the other page it should be converted to green, and the instrument should be ready, but still not ready. So we have to wait until the instrument will be ready, then we can do anything else. And now the instrument will be ready, and we can start make purging for the mobile phase. So we will go for the pump. Binary solvent manager. We have four mobile phases, four bottles. So bottle A1, A2, B1, B2. But usually we add our mobile phase in A1 and B1. So we will make purge for these two bottles for 1 minute. And if you prepare the other bottles also, new bottles for washing, column washing, the needle, whatever, so you need also to make purging for these bottles A2, B2. And also go for the sample manager and make wash needle and make prime for the auto sampler. Then during this time we will wait until making purge for the mobile phase. It's very important to be sure that there is no bubbles, so the pressure will not go down, and then we can start preparing our sequence. As you see in this page, you will find shortcut, and in shortcut you will find the instrument, and in instrument you will find all parts of the instrument: inlet method, HPLC method, solvent monitor, and mass method acquisition method that you did for these for target analytes, and mass tuning all controls for the mass, and mass console. As I said, it will you will find all parts of the instrument to start controlling these parts. So here everything, and in the sequence you will find here file name, file text, mass file, mass tune file, sample type, inlet file, and here bottle, injection volume, concentration A or concentration B or concentration C, whatever the target analysis you will analyze, or different concentrations, different calibration curves you will run. Maybe you have mix of calibrations or mix of compounds with different concentrations, so you can have concentration A and concentration B, whatever. You will change the date, and change in every sample you will analyze. Changing the date. The date should be same in every sample. So you will find your sample in the same file that you saved all dates. Then change the sample name if you want. If you have a different name, you can change here, and copy paste here. Everything here should be here. And then mass file acquisition method. If you want to select different mass file, you can. Mass tune file, it's always fixed for the same method. If you have different compounds or different groups under the same method, it will be same. So here blank or QC or analyte. This is easy. The inlet file, which is the HPLC method here, you can change the bottle position, the position of your vials, HPLC vials, and from here you can also change like this, but you should press replace. And if you want to change to P1, you should go for P1 and right click and replace. It will be changed here. Or you can write by your hand like this. By the keyboard you can write. And you can make fill series to, if you want to make all of this B1, I want to change to different files, as example A1, A2, A3. You can just press right click and replace. It will be changed. Also, injection volume, you should be sure that injection volume is what you want. Fill down or fill series to make it in sequence, make samples in sequence. Here to find the concentration B, if you want, right click and go for this page, customize fill display, and go for concentration B and mark this. It will open another column for concentration B, because we have two different concentrations for two different groups in this method. You can add concentration C if you want. It will be added also to that. Another column will be added, but we don't need here. Just to know that if we can customize the display here, we can add different columns. And then you can save as the method, file and save as. Then you can start running the sequence. Running the sequence, you should select all samples, the whole sequence, and run on this play.